Why aren't more people talking about injecting liquid into soil, like giving it a shot? At first it sounded unnecessary to me too, but the reason behind it changed how I think about watering plants. It's not just about the liquid, it's about where it goes. Injecting nutrients directly into the root zone targets plants' needs more efficiently than watering from above. I was skeptical at first. Was this just another trend? But a fellow gardener swore by it. Her plants were healthier and more resilient. That got me thinking, maybe this is the missing piece for thriving soil and better harvests. So I decided to give it a try. Gardening is about experimenting and learning after all. Sometimes the best lessons come from trying something new. Let's see what happens together. Most of us water our gardens from above, pouring water over the leaves and soil, thinking it's the best way to hydrate our plants. But in compacted or clay-heavy soils, water often struggles to penetrate deeply. It pools or runs off, leaving lower soil layers dry and roots near the surface. Shallow roots dry out quickly, making plants less resilient and more prone to wilting. Plus, much of the water evaporates before reaching the roots, especially on hot days. This means deep roots in the soil food web miss out on vital moisture and nutrients. That's why soil injection is so effective. It delivers water and nutrients directly to the root zone, where plants need them most. Actively aerated compost tea, or AAT, is a living brew packed with beneficial microbes that can transform your soil and boost plant growth. Unlike passive compost leachate, AAT is brewed with constant oxygen, multiplying helpful bacteria and fungi. To make it, you'll need a clean bucket, an aquarium air pump, dechlorinated water, mature compost, and a bit of unsulfured molasses. Place compost in a mesh bag, submerge it, add molasses, and let the air pump bubble for 24 to 36 hours. When ready, the tea should smell earthy and sweet. Use it within a few hours for best results. Brew it right, and you'll have a probiotic powerhouse to help your plants thrive. Ready to get started? To test soil injection, I set up 2 identical raised beds. Both had the same soil, sunlight, and lettuce seedlings. Bed A was the control, compost tea poured on the surface. Bed B got the same tea but injected directly into the root zone. Everything else, watering, care, and conditions, remained identical. This way, any difference would come down to the application method, the goal. See if injection really gives plants an edge. With the experiment set, it was time to begin treatments. Would the extra effort pay off? Only one way to find out. Let the side-by-side trial begin. For bed B, I used a soil injector, a hollow tube that delivers liquid below the surface. I injected compost tea at 4 points around each plant, about 6 inches deep. Each plant got about a quart of tea, delivered gently. The process was quick and surprisingly easy. Both beds received weekly treatments, surface for bed A, injection for bed B. The rest of the care stayed the same. I documented every change, eager to see what would happen. Now, it was time to watch and wait. After 2 weeks, subtle differences appeared. Lettuce in bed B looked greener and more vibrant. The soil felt spongier and smelled richer, signs of healthy microbial activity. Plants in bed B perked up faster after each injection. Moisture lasted longer in bed B, hinting at improved soil structure. The changes weren't dramatic yet, but they were promising. Deeper color, better texture, and a livelier smell, all pointed to something happening below the surface. The experiment was getting interesting. Sometimes, small changes signal big shifts to come. I was excited to see what the next weeks would bring. The real test was just beginning. 4 weeks in, the results were clear. Lettuce in bed B was noticeably larger, with fuller, greener leaves. Harvested heads from bed B were heavier and tasted sweeter. The difference was visible and delicious. Examining the roots, bed B plants had deeper, denser root systems. The soil clung to the roots, a sign of thriving microbes. My skepticism was gone. The evidence was undeniable. Injecting compost tea directly into the root zone made a real difference. Bigger, healthier plants and richer soil, worth the extra effort. This technique is now a permanent part of my gardening routine. Sometimes a new approach changes everything. Soil injection, absolutely a game changer.